Nah. So my breakfast consists of oatmeal and some 7 egg whites and 2 eggs. And usually I boil my oatmeal, but that's my work right now. So I'm about to microwave it 2 minutes, and I'll get back to y'all when all the food is done. So usually I don't use butter, but because I'm not in my house, I'm in my dad's house. He don't got pan spray, so I mean, when you're bulking, more calories, feel me? Just use butter. The two eggs and then 7 egg whites. So usually with my oatmeal, I like putting peanut butter. I love peanut butter. Like, I love it. So I estimated about a teaspoon. Yeah, like this. Just put it in there. I usually put some chocolate chips, but we don't got that right now. So we're gonna put cinnamon. So yeah, this is what my breakfast consists of. So the oatmeal right here. Then probably put OD. I'm not gonna lie, I think put OD. Look at this man's. So the calories, macros, I put them right here. I'm currently bulking, so I usually don't put butter like you guys saw right there. I put pan spray. I try to get low calorie stuff. Right now I'm at 3,000 calorie, so I gotta eat a lot. So I'm gonna catch you after I finish eating. By the way, follow me on IG at Justo Fitness. That's my fitness page. I'll be posting workouts there too. That's just a little self plug. Like Jesse James, last bite, best bite. Alright, so now we're in my crib. We're gonna have the pre-workout meal. Usually I don't eat a lot before I work. Usually I work out in the morning, but I've been busy. Yeah, I usually have what I have earlier. I have my breakfast and then I go to the gym early. And then usually have this after the gym, but I need to get my calories in because it's already like, it's about to be 3:30. Yeah, so let me show you what I'm making now. It's calm. Like, I try to have like my vegetables as much as I can. If I don't, then I have like this super green thing that I drink. I put some teriyaki sauce, a little bit, to give some flavor, and put a little bit of hot sauce. And yeah, I mean, I'll put the macros right here. And yeah, we do got some pre-workout. I take Flight from BBN. It's pretty good, not gonna lie. Green apple, you know, BBN. I've been drinking supplements. Nah, I play. Yeah, go to the gym right now, and I'll see you there in like 5 seconds. Alright, so now we're about to do warm-up set. We're gonna do barbell rows. We just warmed up our back, and we're about to warm up our barbell rows for a heavy set. There we go, obviously. Now we're gonna do T-bar rows, and we're gonna do 4 sets of 12. and then we're gonna take up the weight, and we're gonna do as much as you can without weight, and we're gonna do 4 sets of that. Sitting down, and then we're gonna superset it with dumbbell rows. Rear delt, and we're gonna focus more obviously on the back muscle. We're gonna go halfway. If you go all the way, you're gonna focus on your back. So we're gonna do 4 sets of 12, and make sure you control it so you can squeeze the back up. Alright, we just came back from the gym. Usually when I come back from the gym, I'm not that hungry. I just have my protein shake, which I'm about to have right now, and this other supplement that I use called creatine. Helped me a lot, trust. That's one of those supplements that I really suggest. So like I said, I'm really hungry, but I cook up and drink my protein shake right now, and I'm gonna show you what I'm about. So usually, I use my scale. Sometimes I just eye it out. I put 12 ounces. So 12 ounces of almond milk. Why can't I say it? Almond milk. My bad. Protein that I use is BPN. Here. I switched a lot until I found out about BPN, and this has been what I loved so far. Creatine, like I was saying earlier, this is from ESP Labs. It's 5 grams every day. Since we're bulking, boys. Feel me? I'm almost done with it. I put like 5 grams, like a teaspoon. Kind of like that. Not 5 grams. I think it's like 16 grams. Yeah, so about this much. Usually I put a banana in it. But at the moment, we got no bananas. But I blend this up, then I'm gonna show you what I eat. So while I wait for the pasta to cook and the meat, I'm gonna have a Cliff Bar just to get my calories in. I think now with this, I'm like 2,700, somewhere around there. probably, because I probably snacked a little bit. There was some other shit. But yeah, so yeah, when the food is ready. Pasta, obviously, with some ground turkey, and some of the sauce that I use. So I'm in the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, try out the workouts. Let me know how it goes. Comment down below what else you guys want to see, because I'm trying to get some more ideas, trying to think of some other stuff. Follow my Instagram. Like I said, like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.